Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use cryptocurrency for beginners. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many people use it for secure, decentralized transactions, offering an alternative to traditional banking systems. It operates on a technology called blockchain, a distributed public ledger. Understanding these basics is your first step into the exciting world of digital finance, offering new ways to manage your money. To begin your crypto journey, you will first need to set up an account on a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms act as your gateway to buying and selling digital assets. Next, choose a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrency. Options range from online hot wallets to offline cold wallets. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and using strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. This foundational setup is crucial for protecting your digital investments. Once your account is set up, you can easily buy and sell cryptocurrency. First, deposit funds into your exchange account using a bank transfer or debit card. Then, navigate to the trading section and place a buy order for your desired cryptocurrency, specifying the amount. When you wish to sell, simply place a sell order. Remember that transactions incur fees, which can range from a fraction of a percent to a few percent, so always review these before confirming your trades. Protecting your cryptocurrency is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on every account. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Always double-check website addresses and email senders. It is also wise to diversify your investments across several different cryptocurrencies, rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. Remember, the crypto market can be quite volatile, so only invest an amount you are comfortable potentially losing. Stay informed and stay safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.